Look, there is Ma.
So, is your girlfriend married?
Of course not.
Answered everything correctly, so now you'll get the main prize.
Just a phone number.
This is your main prize, so call it.
Come on.
Hello, Sam Jones here, divorce attorney. How can I assist you?
Divorce attorney?
It's something that you really need right now. Keep the gift. This is all the money you deserve. The bracelet made by Lily, the only thing that will remind you of our daughter.
Are you married? You have a child as well?
I will explain. I will explain to both of you.
Mommy.
Lily, my angel. Come to your mom, hug. Come here, hug me. You won't leave me.
Let's go, hon.